Okay, today we're going to look at the Pixel RGB LED photography lighting. And so the package includes a RGB video light ×3, AC/DC adapter ×3, power cable ×3, travel bag just 1, light stand ×3, and white diffuser ×3. So I'm just taking each item out of the bag so you can see it. One thing I like about the bag is that everything's nice and tight inside it, and so it's not going to move around. Also, it's a great quality. It seems to be holding up, and it carries a lot of weight. When you have all those items in there, it has a lot of weight, and so you could put this in the back of a vehicle and you'd be pretty secure that it's not going to break or anything, because the bag holds it very nice and tight. And so I'm just taking everything out so you can see firsthand what everything looks like that's inside the bag. And I'll just continue on with the video showing each item and the features. So here I'm just going to show how to set up the light stand. And so you're just going to press down, make sure to lock it. And then you can also adjust the height. And so there's 3 adjustments, and it could get pretty high. So just pick your preference or your situation. So here I'm just adding the light to the stand. And one thing I really do like about this light is that it's 360 rotatable. This will help in many video situations. So you could put it on the floor, or you could point it from the floor to the ceiling, or you could point it from the very high and then point straight down. I will get many uses out of this. And so here I'm just pretty much connected to the power outlet. And there's 2 options. You could connect it to the power outlet, or you could use a battery. And when you use the battery, you won't have to you'll be able to use it outdoors or any location you want. And so here I'm just installing the 970. And so this is probably the feature everyone wants to look at, is the features and settings. And so you could adjust the CCT mode, dimmable bicolor LED, and then you could do the HSI mode. And so there's many variations, and you can also adjust the pretty much the temperature, or whatever you want to call it, so it's not as bright or dim. And so what you do is pretty much you press down on the button, and then you just adjust. And you could just keep pressing it, and it will go to a different option. You also go to the mode option, and then it'll go different mode. And this does have a lightning mode as well. And so here's the RGB. Okay, so finally I'm doing a test in real world setting. So I'm just using green screen, and I have my son right there. And so I'm just taking a few pictures, and I'll eventually use Photoshop, remove the green screen. I can also use the video and remove the green screen in that way too. But for now, I'm just doing just the photo. And to the left, you see the green screen removed. It was easy, especially with the lighting. It pretty much covers his whole body, and so it's easy to remove. I hope this video helps you in your buying decision process. And if you like, please like and subscribe. I will be coming out with more videos and photography items and gimbals and other things. So hope you enjoy. Have a great day.